Vivek, and he converts. So, Sonam, Tenzing Sonam Bhutia, he pulls up, and he converts the. Nikesh Magar driving in, and he finds Ajay, and the next, Anil Khargi. He seems a little injured, and they kicks it out, but not being able to convert the offensive board here. Sonam Bhutia, Soyun, shot clock running down, he pulls up, and he converts. So in 2017, under 18 में जाने वाले थे वहाँ, र यहाँ 3-point Sudeep Paudel. Good defense there by Golden Gate. Prashant. So lucky. He puts it in from the downtown. Yeah, for the transition, Sayun Rai, a quick pass there, and he converts. So I was yet to talk about the coach of GG. Tenzing Sonam Bhutia, he pulls up, and he converts. And quick pass there. Nikesh kicks out to Lucky Marzan there, and he pulls it up. Paudel, Ajay, and he pulls up, and he converts, drives in, kicks out to Sonam. He fakes, he pulls up, and he converts. So ball on the baseline. Sudeep to Abhishek, and he gets the and one. So Abhishek stands to make a 3-point play, and he does. Screen, and there's a pull up from the perimeter. Sudeep looking for a pass. Ajay, he gets the ball, he turns around, and he converts. Lucky, and he pulls up. That screen, and he finds the open man. So Pheri Pani Ramro caught and pass. Ababane 3-3, and now he converts. 3 free shots. Since the fall was from the deep, समस्या भने हामीले पक्कै पनि देखिरहेका छौं. निकेश मगरको यो layup like Abhishek Singh, and he finds Ajay, spins and hook shot. Soyun Rai, and he pulls up from the downtown, and he converts. Finds Soman inside the paint, and he fades away, and he converts. Soyun to Inab again. Soman, wide open 3-pointer. He converts. He's inside the court now. Nikai ne राम्रो pass, play number 1. Ajay Kushwaha driving in, and he pulls up. Abhishek, but he finds the rim. He pulls up from the perimeter again. He gets again. He drives in. He is open there. He finds the way. And good pick and roll sequence there. Pujan. Lucky. Driving in, and he finds the way to convert. Soyun Rai, semi-fake there, and he pulls up, and he is the Abhishek asking for the screen, and he uses that screen, and he converts. So again, Ajay Kushwaha allowed during the game, so he has been sent off again, and he converts the Haikat he is hired. And he converts the second. So man, open, and there's the open shot from the downtown, from the home team. Soyun, they had them. Game time, 28 seconds. Nikesh second, and he converts. Not being able to convert. Nisal pushing hard, and he gets the layup. And what are supporters of the home team, home crowd. तर पनि बल अझै पनि GGSC को हातमा र अझै the first leg misses the first one and kicks out. Lucky Marzan drives again, and he pulls up, and he converts. And he converts to make sure that he converts both of the free throws. And now he converts to Bikas, and he finds the open man below the rim. Now he converts. So Sudeep Porel for the baseline pass, and Bikas Gurung. He finds a lot of physical game there. And Prashant, Ozimani hustle. They have the numbers, 2 or 3 on 1. Abhishek Singh, he converts. Nikesh Magar to Bikas Gurung. He's open. He pulls up from the three-pointer. And free throws. This can happen. The substitute of the player will be shooting the free throw. And he converts the both one. Kicking out to Bikas Gurung. He drives in and he finds the way to the rim. And a quick pass here. And a quick basket. Being able to keep the ball in control. Soman to Prashant. Left-handed off-balance shot. Nikesh driving in. And he finds the way to the rim. His last fall. So Nikesh converts the first. So Nikesh Magar. Nepal ko raste khiladi hununi. He converts the Nikesh Magar. A good crossover there by Nikesh, and he gets the layup, but no. And there's the offensive board by. So he is gifted by one more shot, and he converts. Is hiking a lot to Nikesh. He drives. A very easy layup again. He's open there, Nikesh. So he pulls up. Don't leave him open. Golden wants the horn play. And he finds the open person. And he converts. Listen, Mahile. Rajiv. And he gets his own shot. Kicking out to Prashant. And he gets the and one on the free throw line. And he completes Sudeep. And he finds the open man. So all the reserve players of the. And now the second. And he converts. Lucky Morrison. And a layup. And he finishes for Golden Gate. And he converts. Sonam Bhutia. Niket राम्रो पास त्यहाँ सोनाम भुटियाको